Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute for those who may not be here in class today to talk about the Awakening Literary Analysis paper. What I'm going to have you do is pick one of the three research questions at the top of the box, and you're going to use your thesis to answer that question. Now remember, for an AP thesis, you have to identify at least two literary devices or techniques that the author uses to communicate the idea. And the idea comes from your opinion, your analysis. So at the top you'll see we have choose one of the questions. So you're going to pick one of these three questions. You're going to respond to it with your thesis. Here is the rubric. Basically, it's about 3 pages, MLA format with properly composed works cited. On the 3 pages, I'm not a stickler if it's a sentence or two off. I prefer it be a sentence or two off than have you just ramble to fill space. But I think you're going to need about 3 pages to fully develop your thesis. No outside sources are required, but they are welcome. You can use as many as you want or as few as you want. You need to use the Awakening itself as your primary source. And remember, if you say anything that comes from the world outside of the Awakening, you will need to provide a source. You don't have to go to the library and get books. Sometimes I'll just go, if you're going to talk about gender roles and you want to reference something, you can go on Amazon or go find a journal through the library webpage. Submit the final copy here and in Turnitin.com. Here's your Turnitin.com codes for 2nd and 6th period. All papers must be cleared by Turnitin.com or I will not grade them. Comments will be made on the Canvas page. You will have until 11:59 on Sunday to submit to Turnitin.com. So let me know if you have any questions. Email. If you want me to look over your paper or rough draft, we'll work on it in class today, tomorrow, and Friday. However, Friday I will be out with meetings, so you will have to email me if you have any questions. All right, guys, thanks. Have a great day.